So today I'm going to show you a cool trick you could do with the Rubik's Cube. Okay, it's not a trick, it's a cheat. It's super easy to use. I'll actually do. So first you want to hold your Rubik's Cube. It doesn't matter how it's facing. Then you do this. R, U, R prime, U prime. And then you do it once more time. So now it looks messed up, right? But no, it's not messed up, it's super easy to fix. So you do the same thing over and over. It's fine if you mess up, because I messed it up 10 times. Okay, I only have messed it up 2 times. Like, I'm serious. I've only messed it up 2 times, and then boom, I did it in front of you. Right in front of you, I finished this Rubik's Cube. Now, I'll do it again, alright? And it works with any side. So when you're doing it when you're showing it off to your friends, how quick you could solve your Rubik's Cube, just do this. You want to have it done halfway. You want to have it done midway. Alright? So, you want to have it done midway. So it looks jumbled up. But it's super easy to do it back. See? Boom. So I'll do it one more time. 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. You could do it this fast. Now there are quicker ways, but then you have to have the Rubik's Cube in a certain condition for it. When I say certain condition, I mean in a certain design. Yep, there you go. Yeah, you wanted to have it in a certain. Yeah, you could only do it when it's in a certain design. It's super easy to use, and I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure it will help you win that gold medal that you're having probably for a Rubik's Cube race. It's super easy. You could give the same thing to your friend and tell them like, hey, solve it. And this is probably gonna take them like an hour, but then it's gonna take you like 5 minutes. 5-10 minutes. So yeah, if you want to see more Rubik's Cube videos, so I want you to do one thing: subscribe and leave a like. Well, okay, that was really too. So yeah, bye.